Here's how to install our OCAM bash plates for the Y62 Nissan Patrol. Lay out all the hardware and familiarise yourself with the kit. Use a 13mm socket to remove the 4 bolts holding in the factory bash plate. If your vehicle has recovery points installed, then the bash plate will need to be cut in order to accommodate. If your vehicle doesn't have recovery points, then skip this step and reuse the same mounting points as the factory plate. In this video, we'll be installing the bash plate onto a vehicle that has recovery points installed. We're removing these parts of the bash plate for additional clearance. Use an angle grinder to make the cuts, then paint protect the exposed metal. Use a 13mm socket to remove these 2 bolts here and reinstall the OCAM plate using the same bolts. You'll need to source larger washers to accommodate the larger cutout in the center. Then use the included bolts for the 2 rear points and tighten with a 14mm socket. For the middle plate, the stick bolts go into these holes of the crossmember. Then remove the 13mm bolts along the outer corners. Install the smaller C brackets with the C facing the rear of the vehicle using the supplied bolts. Tighten using a 14mm wrench. The rear plate crossbeam uses these 2 holes in the chassis rails for the stick bolts. Install the bottom ones first by threading them through an opening in the chassis rails and loosely secure the crossmember using the supplied hardware. Then thread the upper stick bolts and secure. The middle plates on the rear plate secure to this hole on the transmission crossbeam. Use a long 14mm wrench with a bit of tape to hold the nut. Then slide it into place with its washer and secure the bolts from the bottom. Then use the same process to secure the 2 mounting points which connect to the middle plate. Use an angle grinder to trim the tabs from the stick bolts, then tighten everything up. Then install the 4 rear bolts for the crossbeam. And there you have it, your OCAM bash plates are installed.